Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Wall Street memes token. Ticker symbol is WSM. This token is very popular right now. A lot of news outlets, I see it being spread all around social media. We're going to talk about this token, what's it all about, the information on it, and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, if you go over to their webpage, wallstmemes.com, what pops up right away, they have all their socials. They have an Instagram, a Twitter, a Telegram. They have a Discord, TikTok, YouTube channel, tons of socials on here. There's a buy now button, airdrop, ambassadors, tokenomics, community section, a full white paper, all sorts of info on here. But what pops up in big font right at the top here is it says buy in before the price increases. And then it shows the price here of how much they've raised so far. It talks about the next stage price is about 3.04 cents per token is the next price increase. Right now it says 1 WSM. WSM is the ticker symbol. 3.01 cents. And there's a buy now button, and you could buy with BNB and, you know, connect your wallet, all that type of stuff here. You can buy with a card. So if you have a credit card, you could use that. I mean, I would prefer to buy with BNB myself. You click on the buy now button. And they also have a how to buy section. So it's very straightforward. They'll guide you step by step easily of how to buy this token. You can buy with Ethereum. There's at least 3 different ways, or USDT even, at least 4 different ways to buy this token right now before this token goes live. So basically this is, you know, the initial way to buy this token, and then it'll continue to different stages after that, and we'll go through the roadmap and figure that out. But yeah, so that's wallstmemes.com, real easy to find. All their socials are on here. Their Twitter, as always, I will put in the corner of the page so you guys can easily find their socials there. Now their Twitter, they have a 9-page white paper, by the way, so it's not too extensive. You can sit down and read it easily. Their Twitter has 238,700 Twitter followers. So they have an insane following. That's why I said this coin is very popular. It says the king of stonks. They have the blue verified check mark at wallstmemes is their Twitter as well. #1 crypto community meme coin. Join the WSM movement. Presale is now live. So you can get involved, like I said, with the presale before it goes and continues on to the next stage. Now, as you go through their webpage, you will see that they have all sorts of memes on here. Doge, SpongeBob, Pepe. They got the Spider-Man guy. I forget his name, but you know, all the tokens I basically reviewed on this channel already. So, welcome to the revolution, Wall Street memes, WSM. Prepare yourself for takeoff as we introduce you to the most electrifying crypto project of our time. Wall Street memes has risen from the ashes of the legendary GameStop saga, where a band of fearless individual investors stood tall against the mighty Wall Street giants. Now we're here to rewrite the rules of finance with one powerful weapon, memes. Our mission is clear: to empower the everyday investor and disrupt the traditional financial landscape. We believe that memes have the extraordinary power to unite, inspire, and challenge the status quo. Through the magic of decentralization, we're creating a crypto movement that puts the control back into the hands of the people where it rightfully belongs. We're charting an exhilarating course towards success. We're building more than just a token. We're forging an unstoppable community. Together, we'll establish a solid foundation, launch our token with a bang, and aim for the unprecedented growth and crypto market capitalization. But with this journey, it isn't about financial gains. It's all about reshaping the world of finance with laughter, unity, and the indomitable strength of memes. We're rewriting the narrative of Wall Street, infusing it with the power of internet's triumph over rampant capitalism. The era of greed is good was version 1.0 and makes room for a new era of financial empowerment for all. So meme warriors, strap in and hold tight, and we'll redefine what it means to be part of the financial world. Together, we're going to create a future where the little guy triumphs, where laughter breaks down barriers, and where unity propels us to heights previously unimaginable. With a brand new power, Wall Street Memes token leading the way, there's no limit to what we can achieve. Get ready and embrace yourself. The revolution starts now. So, talks about pre-sale allocation. So 50% of the tokens go to marketing. 30% of the tokens go to community rewards. 10% goes to central exchange listings, so they will be listed on central exchanges in the future. 10% goes to decentralized exchange liquidity. Now, they have a roadmap on here. It's in 3 different phases. So first phase is foundation. We will focus on developing a secure smart contract, building a strong community, and launching our comprehensive branding and marketing campaign. Phase 2, launch, will witness the official liftoff of the WSM token, strategic partnerships, listing on decentralized exchanges and centralized exchanges, and awareness campaigns to take Wall Street memes mainstream. Phase 3, community empowerment, will unlock exclusive benefits for our community, achieve a $1 billion market cap capitalization, and secure listings on top-tier central exchanges. So, yeah, they're going to have smart contract development, community building, branding and marketing, merchandise and swag. And then we got token launch, partnerships, token listings, exchange listings, awareness campaigns. And then we have gated community, market cap goal, tier 1 central exchange listings. So there's going to be, for merch, there's going to be caps, mugs, t-shirts, sweatshirts. I would definitely rock the gear for sure. I mean, Wall Street memes with all these memes on it, that would be amazing. So, I mean, they talk about, you know, what they're all about, more information on here. This is very much, you know, like a meme token, of course. Just by the name, you could tell that. They do have some meme utility, as I just mentioned there. So it says 1 million plus community, 40 million plus impressions per month, unlimited memes. That's what they're all about on here. So, again, they got step-by-step how to buy instructions. We don't really need to go over that. You just go right over to wallstmemes.com. It'll just guide you through that really easy. Tokenomics I just went through. They have ambassadors on their webpage. You can check those out. They got some airdrops on here. You can click to enter for airdrops. There's 34,810 entries on here. 158 days left for the Wall Street Memes entries. Yeah, just tons of cool stuff on this page. So many socials, at least 6 socials. Contact email. They have a full audit by Solid Proof. Go check it out. Now, I am not a financial advisor. So what do you guys think in the comment section? What do you guys think about Wall Street memes? Are you guys getting involved with this? Like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there for all those great crypto exchanges. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day. Peace out.